can see, let's take a look at why did this all happen. Let's look at that is Mr. Ayuk Sisiku. That is the interim president of the Southern Cameroon territory. Because when we speak and we don't see exactly who are we talking about, that is Ayuk Sisiku, that were forcefully adopted by the Nigerian authority, adopted by La Republic in Nigeria. And that this is why the landmark hearing that was pronounced yesterday by the Nigerian Supreme Court is in reference to Mr. Sisiku. Mr. Sisiku is an interim president of the Southern Cameroon that is currently languishing in La Republic jail in the neighboring country, La Republic, and was forcefully, without prior due process of arrest. And now he's been tried in La Republic Military Tribunal. First of all, let's look at the military tribunal is headed by an incompetent judge. An incompetent judge in the sense that he lacks the legal backing about the justice. That's someone that we have been appointed, choosing because he happened to be a relationship to La Republic General. And that is why the person that is presiding over the hearing has no competent the rule of law or respect the judicial system. Just imagine that the Southern Cameroon, as a distinctive sovereign nation, shouldn't be tried on La Republic military as though the people of Southern Cameroon is a territory that belongs to La Republic. It's Southern Cameroon. Southern Cameroon is a distinctive sovereign nation, and they have the right to their freedom. They have the right to debate whether do they actually deserve to live with La Republic. And the sons and daughters have a choice to decide the future destiny of their nations, just like the British government. The British government, after voted in a referendum to join the European Union, and suddenly they voted in a referendum to withdraw from the European Union. There was not a single gunshot. There was no single war. There was no fighting. It was a friendly gesture. And today they're still debating whether do they actually have to live with the European Union. And the European Union did not declare war on the British government. Why they have to pull out? Then why should La Republique wage a war on the citizens of Southern Cameroon? Simply because they do not cherish to be in partnership with La Republique. And that is why the landmark justice that were ruled yesterday in Abuja High Court is a reflection of the rule of law and the value in the Anglo-Saxon way of life, and not the other way around in the neighboring country, La Republique de Cameroon. So let's look. Some of these images may be deplorable, and that is why I am bringing these attentions to the world community to see exactly